Use of he, she and it. A. Identify the given pictures and write he, she, it for them. Quote it. Cat, it. Girl, she. Woman, she. Dog, it. Chair, it. King, he. Deer, it. Bed, it. Cow, it.
If you enjoyed the video, please like and share it with your friends. Do not forget to click the bell icon to subscribe for more such fun learning videos.